So here we have the BRZ motor and wire and loom. First things first, your ECU they call it. I call it the speed control. People who don't know call it ECU. It's the same thing on a car. It's what tells you bike to go fast or slow. We all need one. Motor, absolute beast. Just like a Talaria. In fact, exactly the same as a Talaria. The Talaria cogs and everything in there. Same amount of fuel, oil as well. So the gearbox oil in there is the same amount as it. And that's what it was hallway left on this. Right, hallway. We've got this hallway. So hallway that one. So we'll right. Get right on. So this is the new blue. There you go. It's split. Right, 1, 2. The brake sensors. This one here is your display. This one here. See? That one there is your speed control. That one there is your Bluetooth device. That one there is your key. And that one there's your throttle start button. And that one there's your throttle. There's your hall wire. Let's start with the hall wire. You've got to make sure they click in. Listen for the click. Hear the click. Right, now what we want to go for. Right, the 3-speed switch. 3-speed switch. Lovely. Right, now what we're going for. We're going for the throttle and on and off button. Okay. Right, on and off button is the black one. There, see, black and white. So on and off button on that one. Red's usually the throttle, so we're going to go throttle on the red. Throttle on red, like that. And that leaves the display. Display that one. I need the 2 brake sensors, which was not really needed for the what I'm showing you. And then, last but not least, your key goes into there, and that one goes to the black wire from the speed control. Okay. Now that one goes from the black wire to the speed control. Let's plug it all in. There's it go. That way, all plugged back in. Got everything we need, just make it work. Press the button, that will make it work. So now we need a battery. One battery. Right. How want to do this? So we have to take this over to the battery. There's not much space like, but enough to show you. It should be a spark and a flash, you've just heard. Right. Now, let's quickly bear this back to put it onto the key. Where's the key at? So here's the key. This is the only wire that's not on. Make sure it's turned off or you get a canny spark. Right, turned off. Where is the black I've just had hold of? Coming out as a speed box on the red side. There we go, there's a spark. we've got beeps. So now it's off. Turn the key on. Beep beep beep. Says we're in speed 1. Ah, right. So E9. Wonder if no, definitely not. So we're on speed 1. It's not changing gear, which it should be, which we'll look into. Well, let's see if the throttle works. Where's the throttle? Underneath here. Okay, let's press the button. Oh, we got live. We got live. And let's see if we're on speed 1. E9 error. E9 error. E9 error. I'm just checking the pins are pushed in, so you know what I'm doing. Still at E9 error. Can I remember what an E9 error is? Can I help? Let's see what E9 error is. The brake's not working. Let's plug the brake in. So E9 still coming up. E9. Can't remember what E9 is. Got something to do with this. Switch. Huh. Haven't got it plugged in. Still at E9 error. So reset it. Right, back on. E9 error. So I need to work out what the E9 is. But it's working on E9. Let's see if the speed control moves. I have to press the button. So it's got something to do with the mileage not going in. So let's investigate what's going on. I think it might have something to do with this. Yep, all of them are good. All of them are good. So that's your wiring diagram. I have to work out what's going on with the E9 error. But apart from that, I hope that helped you. Catch you next time.